Koro, served as an Astartes of the Blood Angels of the Sword of Baal. An inquisitive soul, Koro would regularly aid with insight into the tactical parameters of each engagement. Always tinkering and analyzing with his Auspex device, Koro would present himself as a quiet yet reliable member of his squad. A capable warrior, Koro would be close with his battle brother Tiro, despite their obvious contrast in personalities. Aiding in the investigation and pursuit of Captain Orfeo during their deployment to Naiades Hive, Koro would face the darkness alongside his battle brothers with distinction. Yet with their intrusion into the bowels of the Hive, Koro would be the first of his battle brothers to fall to the feral beings within the tunnels. His duty fulfilled, and name etched into the records of his chapter. For even in the most humble of Astartes, their deeds and glories to their chapter, though obscured, are nonetheless venerated.